This is video number 26 in the Book 2 series for bass students. And in this video, we're going to learn how to do the F major scale and arpeggio. So if you want to open up in your book, you don't really have to, but it might be helpful. You can open up to page number 21. You'll see the F major scale there. We're going to play it slightly different, and we're also going to add the arpeggio. However, that might be helpful, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to open up and look at 97. Now, we haven't done a scale in a while, but to create a scale, you start on the name of the scale. You start on that note. So if it's an F major scale, we're going to start on F. And then you're going to play everything in order that is in the key signature of F major, okay? So that means everything is natural except for B's, and all B's are flat, okay? We're going to play every note in order until we get to the next F. So we start with F, then we do G. After G, we start back over with A, get on this side of it, and then B. But remember, all B's are flat. All B's are flat. So we play B flat, C, D, E, and F, and then we're done, okay? That's just a one-octave scale, so we're done after we get back to F. So this is the F that's over on your E string. We learned it in the last video. We're going to be in half position for this entire thing. So this is half position, first finger on the E string, okay? Let's kind of go through that first, and then we'll do the arpeggio. So let me just show you this. This is half position to start with. First finger in half position. That's an F natural. The next note is G. You're going to stay in half position the whole way. So fourth finger for G, because you're in half position. This would be a G sharp. We're not in first position, we're in half position, so that makes fourth finger G natural. F, G, open A, then B flat, then C, then D, then guess what you have to do with the E? You have to use second finger for the E, because this is an E flat. So 2 fingers for the E, and then 4 for the F natural. Again, remember, since you're in half position, these fourth fingers are naturals because of where they are. This is first position, C natural. This is half position, C natural, okay? It's the same place. The note is the same place, your hand's what's different, all right? So, shadow bow that with me. You're staying half position the whole way. 1, 4, open, 1, 4, open, 2, 4. Shadow bow, 1, 2, red C, shadow bow. 2 Fs, 2 Gs, 2 open As. Now B flat, half position. Now C, D. Now E with second finger for E natural. Now come back down. Now second finger for that E again. Open D. Now C. Now B flat, first finger, B flat. Open A, get that arm around, get that G with fourth finger, now F. Okay? Now go ahead and play that with me, remembering second finger on the D string. And 2 of each, and 1, 2, red C, and go. F. Now fourth finger for G, open A. Now B flat, half position. Fourth finger for C, open D. Now remember E natural, second finger there. Now fourth finger for F. Open D, bring that arm around. E flat. Again, bring the arm around. Okay, now let's go on to the arpeggio. And I'm not going to bother putting the numbers up there. I don't think that really at this point you necessarily need that. I'm just going to put little boxes around them, okay? So, arpeggio is the first note of the scale, the third note, F then A, the fifth note, and then the last note, okay? So, you're going to stay in half position that whole way. You're going to stay in half position the entire way. Let's try that. Shadow bow it through first. Half position the whole way. F, then open A, then C, then F. 1, open, 4, 4. Shadow bow, 1, 2, arpeggio, shadow bow, F, open A, now 4th finger for C, now 4th finger for F, because you're in half position this whole way. Okay, if you think you're ready, play with me. If you need to practice it, go ahead and practice it. Pause the video. Stay in half position the whole way. 1st finger in half position to start. 1, 2, ready, and go. Now A. Now C with 4th finger. Now F with 4th finger. Come back down. Okay, now what you need to do now is to practice that until you can do the scale and the arpeggio without stopping, like we did with all of the other things, all the other scales. Scale and arpeggio without stopping, that's going to help prepare you for all this half position stuff that you're going to be doing in the next few videos.